Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipes. Today I'm making a quick breakfast recipe made with egg. It's called as omelette sandwich. It's very easy to make. So let's begin. So for this, I'm going to take 4 eggs, 3 to 4 eggs. Let's take 3 eggs. To this, we will add salt as per our taste. We're going to add some onions, then we are going to add some green chilies, that too as per our taste. To this, I'm also going to add some pizza oregano. It's a omelette sandwich made with a twist in my kitchen. You'll not get to see this recipe anywhere else. If you want spicy, you can also put a little bit of chili flakes. I normally like to put it. We're going to add some white pepper powder. And now we are going to whisk all this. It's looking like this, and now let's go to the tawa. This is my tawa, non-stick tawa. We're going to put some butter, heat the tawa a bit, let it become hot. Just going to put some butter with this brush. The gas is on high right now. And now we are going to put our omelette. Let's see if it is hot. It's hot. Just going to put this omelette, and on this we are going to put some bread like this. And let it cook on one side nicely. I'm going to put some butter on the top of these slices. This is a very quick recipe and a very easy recipe. If you are very hungry and don't know what to eat, you can just make this. So let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now this is cooking for nice 3 to 4 minutes. Now I'm going to slow down my flame and I'm going to turn this around. Hopefully it doesn't break. Let's see. Yeah, it's cooked nicely from the down, so I don't think it should break, and even if it breaks, it's okay. We can adjust it in our sandwich later on. So let's turn this. So we have turned this like this, and now we are going to put some cheese. It's a cheesy omelette sandwich, so be generous enough to put enough cheese. This particular recipe is loved by everyone, from kids to adults. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this like this. Okay, be a little bit slow because it should not break, and my flame is still on low, so remember that. I want to fold the omelette from all the sides, making sure that it doesn't spill. My cheese is going to melt, and now I'm going to flip this over here like this. You can see that. This is very tasty sandwich. Please try it in your kitchen and tell me in the comments below. It's a very quick recipe to make and instant. It can be done in 5 to 10 minutes. Now the gas is still on slow flame, and I'm going to turn this to this side, put some butter. You can serve this sandwich with ketchup, tomato ketchup. It tastes very good. As you can see, I'm trying to roast the bread crispy on both the sides. So let's do it for the time that I want it crispy. And even if the filling is a bit outside, you don't have to worry, okay? It's not going to come out. It's stuck nicely to the bread. Let's cook this till it's a bit crispy. Now let's cut our omelette sandwich. Let's see if the cheese is also melted. That's the main idea in the recipe mainly. The cheese should be melted, and that's how it gives a yummy taste. Okay? It's very hot, but I'll show you. This is how it looks. See, in the middle. See how it's looking.